Ajung terwa iakren iasuk dekat seng HNLC mentah kalapai syasakar India. Iakren ile tu dom tri nambak kajelak kontrak sangma boleh kendu iakhe jakatan korbari hanang badal ni tama option pun pau ke bau lekran hakati kejalang.
The Home Secretary and other officials of the MHA, and it was regarding the communication that we have received from HNLC, where they have expressed the desire to have talks with both Government of India and Government of Meghalaya in the interest of overall peace in the state. And they've mentioned in the letter that they are coming forward unconditionally, as well as to discuss within the parameters of the Constitution of India. It's a welcome step, and we have updated the Government of India, MHA, on these developments, and detailed discussions on how to take this forward have also been discussed. It will not be appropriate for me to share those details at this point in time, but it was a very positive meeting, and we will take the steps forward as per discussion with the MHA, and in the next few days more developments will take place.